Here we come to the elevators at the West Campus Library and Collaboration Commons at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. These are Montgomery. I believe Montgomery or Montgomery Kone. 3. So loud, I can barely hear the motor. Your fixtures, innovation, universal, older type. Yep, it is a Montgomery, I was right. I'm gonna send this up and we'll get the other car if it works though. Hopefully it works. I forgot to take a look at the phone. I think it's hard to get it open. That indicator on the left is burned out. When the bulb was burned out, it meant. Alright, let's call the other one. And it works. And we got a fan on this one as well. Phone is jammed shut. On the one. Innovation, universal, older type fixtures. Watch the button go out. And there goes the other elevator car on the right that we just rode. Anyways. There it goes. And that's it.